So hi, this is Monojit Nandi, and it was likely almost every people's question that how it works when I attach this Sony 25mm macro lens. This is completely new model of Sony macro lens. So the old model changed. I have already mentioned you many times. So now I will show you how it works when I attach it and how it gives result and how it manages to take photos sharply and well maintained all colors and everything. So don't waste time, and if you want to buy lens, please check description box. There will be many links like my WhatsApp account, my Instagram account, and my website ID, everything. So just don't waste time, let's start. So you can see the area. This is our Gandhi's famous Anukul Ashram, Bonde Purushottam. So I will just test here, and I'm just plugging in this lens. I don't know how much I would like to go to close. Now I'll be in photo mode. So let's start. Now I'm in photo mode, and I'm going to attach this lens, and I'll show you. So as you can see, I'm getting like 2.5x black border. I don't know what is going on here. Okay, this is perfectly okay. And when I zoom like this, I'm getting this. I'll try to show you some object. So as you can see, this is too sharp. You are getting like bokeh. You will get flat background and everything. Now I will show another thing that I can take video. So I got again it. So it went it. So I'll show you here. So this is completely new model, and it gives you like exceptional photos in this price segment. As you know, Sony is like masterpiece, and again, as you know, I'm not a good photographer, so this problem occurs again and again. I come to take photo samples and I'm not getting proper photos. That's why people are getting confused to buy lens from me. So there is a problem, that is a like huge problem for me and for you too. And I will show you other few objects if I can going close. As you can see, this is like 3 centimeter away from now I am from the object. So as you can see, this is my phone problem, and now I will go in pro mode to show you the actual thing. So there I need to zoom 2.4x or 2.5x to do. Now I will go in maximum. So maximum is here like here 3 centimeter, 3 to 4. This is in maximum mode, and this is 3 centimeter. And if you try good background, you will get maximum flat background, I think so. And if I go in like minimum mode, so minimum is macro, that is lowest magnification of this lens. So lowest focal distance of this lens is like, so if I try to focus this, so this is like 2 centimeter. So again I'm here with sorry, let it be manual and let it be 100 to show you this. And many one asks me which lens is best, L810 or this Sony. So they are all based in their own field, so nothing like that. You will get you pay 2000 or you will get photos like L810 or something. Both are different, both are having different features, not same features, so don't be confused. Here is too light here, that's why objects is getting overexposed, and I'm trying to put it in the normal background. क्या हुआ भैया, जहाँ खड़ा हो, हाथ पे आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ, हम तुमको पे लेंगे यहाँ पे। ओके ओके, ये आ गए अभी। तो देख सकते हैं आप। So now you can easily make an idea about this lens and quality of this lens. So people who are missing this lens is like